Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to see what is expressions and what is alias. Alias is like alternative name for your resultant column. So first of all, we'll see what is expression. Okay. uh, Definition of expression is a statement which gives us result is known as expressions. So expression is basically whatever we type in select clause, whatever in the sense select clause, that's nothing but the expression. For example, if I'm writing a query such as select asterisk from emp, then asterisk would be expression of my query. Okay. Expressions consist of two types. Okay. first is uh, First is operand and second one is operators. Operator means uh, your addition arithmetic operators, plus minus multiplication division etc. Then the operand will fall apart into two types. Okay. Operand will fall apart into two types. First is column name and second one is literals. Operand consists of two types. Okay. Expression uh, consists of two types. First is operand. Operand have another two types, column name and literals. Column name, as I said, select asterisk or e name. If I want to display the e name, then the column name will be your operand and literals are direct values. Then the literals are of three types: number literal, character literals, and date literals. Okay. So whenever we will try to solving queries, we'll get to know what are the literals. And one more thing, the date literal and number literal should be enclosed with single quotes. It is mandatory. Then next we have is alias. Wait a second. The next we have is alias. Alias is nothing but an alternative name which is given to an resultant table. Okay. So there are some rules. Alias is an alternative name given to a column or an expression in the result table. Okay. Then alias name can be used with or without using as keyword. Third one is alias name should be a single word or a string enclosed with double quotes. Alias is not mandatory but recommended to have one. So as you can see here, I have provided two examples. In first example, what is the query asking me to display? Write a query to display salary as salary, hire date as date of joining. So this is how we are going to write a query. Select sal as in double quotes salary, comma, hire date as in double quotes date of joining. One more thing, if I don't have any space, I have only one word, you there's no need to enclose within double quotes from emp. The next case, write a query to display name salary of employee along with their annual salary. Okay. Then the query will be select e name sal into 12. And see, here I'm not writing as, it can be still it can run in double quotes annual sal from emp. Okay. So that was the alias. Stay tuned for the more videos and do comment on this video and share this video and subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, if you want any additional what additional subjects, you can comment on this video. I'll take a note and make video on that too. Okay, thank you so much.